All right, I have the windows cut out. I have one, two. I got four more to cut out, but this thing's ready to prep, and we're gonna prep it with stretch tape. I'm gonna turn you around and show you. Let me back up here. I took the buzz, cut it a little cleaner. I would use a router, but it's out there. It's easier just cutting here with the Sawzall. Prep this up. All right, we're going to be prepping these windows with the zip system. Unfortunately, I did buy the wrong size, so this one's the 3-inch. I got 2x6 walls, but we're going to do it anyway. Then we'll just put an extra layer of zip on it. But I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, I cut it approximately 6 inches up each side, and what we're going to do is we're going to peel it back. Once I get my bitten fingernails in here, I'm going to peel it back. We're going to start over here, and then we're going to overlap right over the sheathing and a little bit onto the seal, and then we'll stretch it around the corner. I'll show you. Okay, let's put this sticky so you don't get too many chances for it. Okay, we'll push it into the corner. Now we'll start pulling it back, laying it down. Pull it back, lay it down. I, of course, prefer the bigger one a little better, but I grabbed the wrong ones from Lowe's, which is the only place you could get it other than your supply store. Keep pulling it back. Put pressure down. Pull it back. Keep putting pressure. Now I'm right towards the end here. Push it tight. Pull the rest back. Throw the garbage down on the ground. And then now you can see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I know I'm going to be in the way, but you're going to pull it, stretch it around the corner. And since I got the small one, we'll go down, and then on this side, you're going to do the same thing. Now, I have to go get my roller, but ultimately you want to roll it. Make sure it's tight in the corners here. That will affect it. I got a little spatula here. We're going to push it in the corner, make sure it's good. Went up a little high on this side, but it's okay. Now I'm going to get my roller. Okay, I got my roller. I'm going to roll it. Roll on the outside. It came up a little higher on this side, but it's okay. Now, you want to roll with the zip system for the roller specifically for a warranty. And then what it does is leaves, let me see if you can see it here. It leaves little Z's on the tape. All right, now we're going to put regular flashing tape on there since I only got the short tape. So we'll do the same just to be extra safe. Like I said, if I had the bigger zip, I wouldn't have to do this, but it's okay. Okay, get my knifey. Push it in the corner. Cut it. Put it back. Now we're going to roll this too. Push it tight in the corner. And I will show you. Let me take you off here. See if you can see the little Z's. And that's prepping the window. When we put the window in, we'll silicone everything. Even if you want to be extra safe, you could even zip tape all the way around here. Now I'm going to do these other two windows, and I still have to cut out the remaining. Let's get going. I will run out of this tape, but I do have something else that you could also do for these windows for the zip system, and I'm going to show you that also. Putting the windows on the outside here, talking about a dramatic difference here. There'll be a window here and two more on the other side too, but look at this. What a difference. And what it's facing, I'll turn you around, I'll show you what it's facing. It is facing this nice creek that runs in the back. All right, I ran out of zip tape to prep these windows, but I did have a tube of zip system liquid flash laying around. The only thing you really got to do, I had a 9-ounce tube, put it in a caulk gun, spread it around, and I had a little putty knife, and I spread it as much as I can with the putty knife, and I used every single bit of it up in the two windows. And it seals and flashes just like you would the tape. Makes it a water-resistant barrier. Now the windows that we are using are the Home Depot American Craftsman brand. I don't mind them, but this is what the homeowner wanted. He bought them, purchased them, and then we just have to frame it in and install them. I still would much rather use the zip system tape, especially the stretch tape for the window seals. I think that stuff is awesome, and I think the whole entire Huber system itself is awesome. I use every single bit of their products anytime that I can. Thanks for watching. Come back for more.